In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "you can't make this change at the moment" error on Facebook. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Facebook fixes and tech tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is try making the change from a device and location you normally use. Facebook often shows this error when it detects unusual activity, a new device, or a VPN. So make sure you are on your regular phone or PC connected to your usual Wi-Fi and then try again. Next, try refreshing your Facebook session. Log out of your account, close the app, and log back in from the same device. This fixes temporary sessions or cookie issues that can trigger the message. Next, you need to update and clear cache. Now go ahead and update the Facebook app. You need to go to settings, app, Facebook, storage, and clear cache. And this one is for Android. For iPhone, you need to uninstall and reinstall it. So if the error appears while changing your two-factor authentication, phone number, or password, try using the Meta Account Center through Instagram. Link your Facebook and Instagram accounts and then set up your security settings from Account Center. This method works for many people when Facebook blocks the change. Some changes like your Facebook name or username have strict limits and cooldowns. So if you recently changed them, you may have to wait before making another update. If your account was recently compromised or restricted, Facebook may block changes temporarily. Check your support inbox for messages from Facebook and follow any instructions they have given you. So if none of these solutions works, open Facebook and go to their support and report a problem. Includes a screenshot, the device you are using, and what you were trying to change. Sometimes only Facebook can remove the restriction. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.